जय गुरुदेव। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। वास्तु शास्त्र कोर्स 2014 Lesson-2 Invocation. Importance of invocation. In our country, while starting any work, any book, there is a tradition of invoking it first. This invocation is done to praise various god, goddess, gurus and to seek their blessings. After starting any work, invocation is considered very important for its smooth completion. Our sages have written many texts, Upanishads, Purana, etc. In most of the book, the author did not reveal their names and the author is not even known. It seems that they have made themselves so secondary or so insignificant that they just keep working like a machine. All this work is going on and is happening due to the glory of the grace of God, Ishtadev and Gurus. When we look at the book Dhyaneshwari or Gyaneshwari, commentary on Srimad Bhagavad Gita by Sant Gyaneshwar, we find that a long Guru Vanda has been made at the beginning of each chapter. Invocation. Anandam vo Ganeshark Vishnu Gauri Maheshwaraha Devaha Kriyu Shriyam Sokhyam Arogyam Grih Sampadah. मैं गणपति जी, सूर्य, विष्णु जी, पार्वती जी and Mahadev give you joy and grant you a home that is always filled with wealth, happiness and health. देवं नमामि गिरिजात्मजं एकदन्तं सिंदूर चर्चित तनु सुविशाल सुंडम नागेंद्र मंडित तव पुरयुत सिद्धि बुद्धिम सेव्यम सुर उर नरेह सकलार्थ सिद्धये. Praise of Ganpati ji, who has one tooth, whose body is adorned with vermilion, who has a huge trunk, whose body is adorned with snakes, who is served by women named as Siddhi and Buddhi. I worship the son of Parvati, who is served by gods, snakes and humans for the accomplishment of all tasks. Now praise for Goddess Saraswati. Ya Brahmadyer Laksha Tribhunnamita Brahmaputri Shivadya Brahma Vishnuscha Rudraha Pranamati Bahushoyam Sada Ananda Rupam वाणी चैतन्य रूपे वस्ति च सकल प्राणी निद्रा क्षुदातृट सा नित्यं सुप्रसन्ना वितरतु विभम विश्वरूपा च लोके. Whom Brahmadi is not capable of knowing and whom all the three worlds salute, who is beneficial and is the origin, to whom Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra salutes again and again. She always resides in blissful form in all living beings in the form of sleep, hunger and thirst. Such Chaitanya like Brahmaputri, that is Saraswati, please be pleased with me and give me the strength to see the world. Praise of Lord Vishwakarma ji. कंबा सूत्र अम्बुपात्रम वहति करतलम पुस्तकम ज्ञान सूत्रम हंसारूढ़स्त्रिनेत्रः शुभ मुकुट शिरः सर्वतो वृद्धिकायः त्रैलोक्यम येन सृष्टम सकल सुर गृह राज्य हर्मादिरम्यम देवौ सूत्रधारो जगत अखिल हितः पातु वो विश्वकर्मा. Who is holding a yardstick in one hand, sutra in other, kamandal in the third hand, book and Gyan Sutra in the fourth, who is mounted on a swan, who has 3 eyes, who is wearing a beautiful crown on his head. Not only this, but whose body is enhanced in every way, and who has created all types of temples, royal houses, etc. in the 3 lokas, and all the beautiful houses of the common people. May Vishwakarma, the benefactor of such a world, protect the Sutradhara. In this way, Lord Ganesha, the Lord of Gana, is worshipped first. After that, Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, is praised, and then the Vishwakarma, the architect of Devta, is worshipped. And this invocation is done to get the blessings, to focus the mind, and to make the individual as an instrument. So the invocation is very important before starting any work or writing any text. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.